So this Speedo is freaking shot. So I'm going to attempt. Sorry, this Speedo is shot. So see what I can do. That and the neutral indicator light. I think it's burned out. Here, that switch is bad. I'm not sure which yet. Not that it really matters because this thing is a dream to get into neutral. I do love these small bikes for that. They teach you how to shift because they shift really easy, so that's not a problem. The handling is really light, more like a bicycle. So, and yes, that bulb looks burned. Handling's really light and easy, so for people that come off bicycles, it's great. The brakes suck. But the bike's extremely light, and you're not going that fast, so I guess it's all relative. According to the speedometer, I was just doing 80. Well, actually, I've pegged past 80, but I know that's not right, because this thing is all kinds of, it goes click, 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 and when you're just pushing it, it says you're doing 30. So, not exactly sure where it stands, but I'm going to take it apart because I have nothing to lose. It's garbage. Best case, I'm able to figure out what's going wrong and make an improvement. However, unlikely. Worst case, I destroy it and it's never usable again, and that really doesn't matter because it doesn't work anyway. No idea what speed I'm going. Not even a relative indication of speed. Somebody's had this part before anyway. There's freaking electrical tape wrapped around here underneath the rear chrome housing, so somebody's had it apart. They do glue the sucker on. They just have it so tight over that that's it. It's just pressed really freaking tight on there. Okay. Tape off. I'm trying to do a little bit of that with filming. I know I keep blocking the camera. Try to move it in a little closer. Somebody else has tried this part before, so why not go for it? Now, since I have my drill out, I don't know which way this thing's supposed to spin, so gonna be a little cautious here. Actually, now it seems to be working. Let's go high speed, because that's only getting me to 10 miles an hour. Look at that. Now it's working perfectly. Actually, a little sluggish coming down though. Doesn't want to come down at all. Somebody lubricated it. We're getting back to a usable state. This appears to be a little tweaked, so let's see if we can tweak that back. Clean this out some more, and then I'll relube the part of the gear that needs to be lubed. Okay, I'm going to try and mate the two parts together again. See if it'll still work. Looks pretty good. Now can I get it in the housing and keep it working? This is going to be a pain. Do this without tweaking that thing so much that it binds up again. I'm working around. Back inside. Did I screw it? Do my so far so good. Oops, I forgot the chrome trim, didn't I? How could you let me do that? You're sitting there watching what I'm doing. Why couldn't you correct me? My old friend, just to keep the weather out, I use my old friend packing tape. How's that for my redneck fix? No packing tape. Keep the worst of the weather and keep debris out of it. So far so good. Now, try and get this cable in here and through here in a way that it doesn't torque this in any way. Maybe this headlight being so close is tweaking it. Maybe I need to shim it up or change the angle on something. This thing's kind of bent up. It's been laid over too. I expect I buy a lot of cheap bikes. I'm going to try to get them going without spending much money at all on them. I do like the fact that this one is pretty clean. The wiring is run inside the handlebars. The throttle cable runs inside the handlebars from the throttle to that point. Gives it a very clean, simple look. Well, do we think it worked? No, because of that binding, I bet. The throttle cable binds it up. Can I space that up somehow? So that's all it is. It's not working because of the way it's mounted on the bike. Is there a different way to mount it that I'm not seeing? Oh, I bet it has to go, should go through the headlight hole. Or something's supposed to go through the hole in the headlight. Maybe it's the wiring, maybe it's that, maybe it's both. Got a plastic headlight bucket, which is weird. Different to see on a Honda, I guess I should say. Not weird, different to see on a Honda. Now let's see if we can get all these wires back in here. Get this on without binding things up. I think we're good. I'm gonna take it for a ride. Alright, so quick update. Just got back from the test ride, which amazingly, I just realized that it's a pretty close match. So anyway, just got back from my little test ride. Speedometer seems to work really well. Maxed out, head down against the handlebars, flat out. I got to 65, just a touch over 65, according to the speedometer, which I think is a little optimistic. It was probably actually 60. So basically, I need to replace the battery, and I need to get a new boot to go to the air cleaner, or just rip out that air cleaner and get a small cone one. Something, I need an air filter on it, and a battery. That's it for now. The back brake works pretty well, but the pedal is bent. That's one of the things I need. I need to heat it here and bend that back down, because it was beat up when it was bent over. So was this. Which is weird. Okay, so this one has this, and that's what keeps it latched up, is this corner. See that? And on this one, there's no corner. So what was supposed to keep it up? Or was it always supposed to be at a 45? Maybe that was it. It's supposed to be because of the exhaust. They wanted it further out. I don't know. Either way, it doesn't work at all at the moment. But looks like that's sprung out right there. I don't know if you can see it, but keeping this from sliding like it's supposed to. Something else to work on, but brake pedal, intake, battery, and I could ride it back and forth to work if I wanted to. I think that's it for today. Over and out, YouTube.